Good morning, Muntinlupa. For weather update, let's hear it from Judy Miles Laron, our weather forecaster.
Magandang umaga mga kapwa kong Muntinlupenyo. Narito na ang ating ulat panahon ngayong araw. April 27, 2024, Saturday, 12 p.m. in the afternoon. Based from Hydrometeorological and Seismic Monitoring Center, the heat index today is expected to reach around 41 degrees Celsius with air temperature of 33 degrees Celsius and relative humidity are at around 59%. Muntinlupa is expected to experience hot and humid weather conditions over the next few days. As for the sunrise in Muntinlupa is at 5:35 a.m. and sunset at 6:12 p.m. As a result, residents are advised to take related necessary precautions to avoid hot-related illnesses. Pinapaalalahanan po ang lahat ng mga taga-Muntinlupa na maging maingat, uminom ng madaming tubig at manatiling hydrated. Huwag mag-expose ng matagal sa araw. Use sunscreen, use hat, seek shade, and stay indoor. Again, for all the Muntinlupeños, please remember to stay cool, stay safe, and stay hydrated during this hot weather period. This is JD Miles De Laron of Grade 3 Diamond, Sucot Elementary School, your weather